Namaskar everyone, welcome in my YouTube channel Gadaili Digital Labs. In this video we are covering the essential function keys F1 through F12 and the shortcut they unlock on your computer. Let's start today's tutorials. F1 Help menu. F1 opens up the help menu in almost any program. If you ever get stuck, just press F1 for guidance. F2 Rename item. Need to rename a file or folder quickly, just press F2 to rename the selected item instantly. F3 Search. F3 is your shortcut to search. Whether you are in Windows Explorer or some application, F3 opens up a search bar. F4 Address bar, close window. F4 jumps to the address bar in File Explorer, but if you press Alt plus F4, you will close the current window. F5 Refresh. Want to refresh a page? F5 will reload your current window or web page in most browsers and apps. F6 Move to address bar. F6 is another shortcut for quickly moving to the address bar, handy for web browsing. F7 Spell check. Press F7 in programs like Word to open the spell check and grammar review. F8 Safe mode. If you are troubleshooting, F8 can be pressed during startup to enter safe mode on Windows computers. F9 Refresh, send and receive emails. F9 is commonly used in Microsoft Word to refresh fields, and in Outlook it sends and receives emails. F10 Activate menu. Right click. F10 activates the menu bar in many applications. Press Shift plus F10 and you will get the context menu just like a right click. F11 Full screen mode. Want to go full screen? Press F11 in most browsers to expand or exit full screen mode. F12 Save as developer tools. Last but not least, F12 in Word it opens Save as, and in browsers it opens the developer tool panel. And that's a quick overview of your F1 to F12 function keys. Try them out and let these shortcuts save your time every day. If you are new in my YouTube channel, please like, comment, share and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.